Good grammar is super important for a good IELTS score. Why? Because it helps you speak and write clearly. When you use grammar correctly, the examiner understands you better. This makes it easier for them to give you a higher score. Remember, IELTS is about communication. Good grammar makes your communication strong and effective. So, if you want a great IELTS score, work on your grammar. Ready to improve your grammar? Here are some fun and easy ways to do it. Practice with complex sentences. Don't be afraid to use sentences with more than one clause. For example, instead of saying, "I like to read," "I read every day." Try, "I like to read," and "I read every day." Use grammar apps. There are many apps that can help you learn and practice grammar. Try some out and see which ones you like best. Self-correction is key. After you write something, read it again carefully. Look for any grammar mistakes and correct them. These strategies will help you use a wider range of grammatical structures accurately. Even native English speakers make grammar mistakes. Here are some common ones to watch out for. Subject-verb agreement. Make sure your verb agrees with your subject. For example, he walks, not he walk. Tense consistency. Use the same tense throughout your writing or speaking. Don't switch between past, present, and future tenses without a good reason. Article usage. Remember the difference between a, an, and the. By being aware of these common errors, you can avoid them and improve your accuracy. Section 4. Good grammar, great scores. Good grammar has a big impact on your IELTS score. Here's how. Fluency and coherence. Good grammar helps you speak and write smoothly and logically. Lexical resource. When you use grammar correctly, you can use a wider range of vocabulary. Grammatical range and accuracy. This is a specific criterion that examiners look at. Using a variety of grammatical structures accurately will boost your score. Remember, good grammar makes a big difference in how well the examiner understands and appreciates your English skills. Section 5. Keep learning. Keep improving. Improving your grammar takes time and effort, but it's worth it. Here are some tips to stay motivated. Set realistic goals. Don't try to learn everything at once. Focus on 1 or 2 grammar points at a time. Make it fun. Use games, quizzes, and other interactive activities to make learning grammar more enjoyable. Practice regularly. The more you practice, the better you'll become. Remember, every step you take towards improving your grammar brings you closer to your desired IELTS score.